So hello, what's your name?
My name is Jason.
Jason. So what do you do?
I do some business here. The trading.
Business.
Yeah, trading. Trading business, yes.
You trade what thing?
Shipment. Cargos and something. Yeah. Some products.
Different products.
Yeah, different products. Yeah.
All right. So what do you like Pakistan?
Yeah, definitely. Pakistan is very nice country, and it's so nice for Chinese people. And yeah, we feel like our family.
Family.
Yeah.
So are you treating in a nice way by the people here?
Yeah, more or less. But actually, we are, treating like, the people is like family. Yeah.
They are treating you in a good way.
Definitely, as a brother, true brother. Yeah, definitely.
So you know Urdu?
Turi.
थोड़ी आती है.
Yeah.
Say something in Urdu.
Walaikum salam. I only know quite a few words.
You only know salam, walaikum salam.
Ramadan Mubarak and Eid Mubarak.
Eid is near, that's why you're saying Eid Mubarak.
Yeah, Eid Mubarak.
Say Eid Mubarak to our viewers in advance.
Okay, so I would say all my Pakistan brothers, Eid Mubarak. Yeah.
So any other sentence you want to say about Pakistan? In Urdu.
Urdu. Actually, I do not know quite well, but Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, that's my feeling. Yeah.
Alhamdulillah means, you know what does it mean?
The best, I think. The best things. I think that's the best things, right?
It's that we're thankful to the God.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
So what religion you are following?
Yeah?
What religion you are following?
Actually, a little for the, cause staying in Pakistan, I respect for the God here. So, but most of Chinese, they don't have religion. But I respect.
You respect all of the religions. That's great. So, any message you want to give to our viewers about Pakistan or about China, anything?
I think there's only one sentence. Bajin dosta jindabad.
Now tell me, what does that mean?
It's a friendship longer and the greatest brotherhood.
I'm gonna give you one sentence in Urdu and you have to repeat with me, okay?
Okay, slowly, please slowly. Okay.
All right. मैं यहाँ पूंडी करने आया हूँ. Now say it. मैं यहाँ पूंडी करने आया हूँ. Now say it in one line.
मैं यहाँ कुंडी करने आया हूँ.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Kevin
Kevin, where are you from?
from China.
From China. Wow, you're Chinese.
Yeah,
Okay, so what are you doing here in Pakistan?
for the business here.
Business. What business you are doing here?
For the trade. For trade, some
Trade.
uh,
What kind of trade? You trade what?
train the security train. The security train. No.
Your English is a little, difficult to understand, your accent.
Okay. Just for some trade, some things I buy from China and to here. Just this.
So, do you want to say anything about Pakistan?
I love Pakistan.
Okay, how are the Pakistani people? Do you like Pakistani people?
I like very much.
Okay, so can you speak Urdu?
No, thank you.
But if I'll give you a sentence in Urdu, so will you speak it?
I love you. I want this.
I'll give you a sentence in Urdu, then you have to speak it, okay?
Okay.
Say Pakistan Zindabad.
Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad.
One more sentence. पाकिस्तान के लोग
पाकिस्तान के लोग
बहुत अच्छे हैं.
बहुत अच्छे
बहुत अच्छे हैं.
more अच्छे
Now say it. मैं पीना हूँ.
who?
So do you know what's its meaning?
I don't know.
You don't know. Say it again.
मैं पीना हूँ. मैं
Pina.
पीना हूँ.
It means I'm Chinese.
I'm Chinese.
You're Chinese. So it's nice talking to you. Any message you want to give to our audience regarding Pakistan or regarding China? Anything you want to say?
I see the Pakistan and China, the air brother. I think its friendship will be forever. Forever. Okay.
Say something in Chinese. Teach me Chinese. I really want to say something in Chinese.
I love Pakistan very much. 我非常喜欢巴基斯坦。
Why? Repeat it slowly.
我非常喜欢巴基斯坦。You just remember the first and second. 我非常喜欢。非常。我非常喜欢。
It's so difficult. I think I'm never gonna learn Chinese.
I teach you another the same meaning. Same meaning. 我爱
What?
巴基斯坦。
Pakistan. What does that mean?
I love Pakistan.
Oh, thank you so much. Nice talking to you. Thank you for your time. Hello, what's your name?
Tim Chen.
Team.
Yeah, my English.
That's a unique name. What does that mean?
Just English name.
English name.
Just for easy to remember because Chinese name maybe I said my Chinese name is not easy to remember. Yeah, for you. Yeah.
But this one is also difficult.
Yeah. Tim.
Team. All right, team. So what do you do?
Just take a look. I wanted to buy clothes. Yeah.
You're here for shopping?
Yeah.
So what do you do professionally? Are you studying or are you doing business? What?
Business here. Yeah.
In Pakistan? A lot of Chinese people, Chinese or Japanese people came in Pakistan for the business. Why?
Because we are friends. Chinese and Pakistan friends.
they're friends?
Yeah.
All right.
So we can have some business in exchange. Yeah. And as I know, many Pakistan guys also in China.
Yeah, there are many people who move to the other country for the business purpose.
Sorry.
I'm saying there are many people who move to the different countries for the business purpose.
Yeah. It's normal. Yeah.
So, how your business is going in Pakistan?
It's good. Yeah.
But people here are not having good business right now.
I think I just can say good. I cannot say bad because actually the friends I know is very friendly. So I say good means that. But the general environment maybe now is tough. But I think we can face the difficult together. Yeah.
Chinese environment is more tough than Pakistan.
No. Chinese economy is good.
Yeah, I know its economy is good, but I'm talking about the business structure. Is it easy for you to do business in China or to do it over here?
I think it's harder to compare. It's two dimensions. Yeah.
All right. So can you sing a song in Chinese?
No, sorry. No.
Just say something in.
I think welcome to China and listen to Chinese song. Okay.
Are you going to sing a song or not?
Huh?
Are you going to sing a song or not?
No. Sorry, I'm shy.
You're shy. It's okay.
Okay.
I don't think you're shy.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.